Oh, hi. Welcome to TMT Damansara. Everything is unique here, especially our customer. Here comes the first one.
Which one should I buy? Hi guys. The other one should I buy this one or this one?
Sorry, Miss. Miss, hello, Miss. Actually, which spec do you need the most?
I need the one with good camera and also got an eye function.
Okay. Then I think this phone suits you the best.
Then I take this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Miss. Here's your phone.
Thank you.
Right. Bye. Hi. How may I help you?
Oh, I'm fine. I just wanna build a new computer for my third gaming setup. You know, I have a big house, big room. I need to build a new PC with 64 GB RAM, RTX 5090, 2000 watt power supply unit, and 2 TB SSD.
Okay. What about processor?
Huh? What is processor?
Huh? What?
Got installment lah.
What? Got 10% off? Okay. 899 minus 10% off. Okay, got 20 ringgit off. Okay. Boss, this one got extra discount?
This one already best price, Miss.
Okay. Then, how if I want to trade in my new clipper?
No.
No? Okay, wait. My shoes?
Sorry, cannot, Miss.
Okay. What about lipstick?
Cannot, Miss. Cannot, Miss.
Glass orchid?
Cannot. This way, Miss.
Tissue?
No, thanks. No, thank you.
I got umbrella! I got watch! I got car!
Hello, Miss. I saw in the description there you write no onion, no sauce, no cable. Oh, it's a typo only, right? Alright. I'll send it to you now. Hi, Miss. Here's your parcel.
Thank you. Hair dryer please. I need a hair dryer.
Oh, yes.
You faster. I need a hair dryer.
Okay. Here's your hair dryer. No matter what type you are, we settle for you.